Sorry, my sister called. We have it at, oh my god, it already went up 1 degree. Fuck. We have it usually set at 20 degrees. And yes, we do have fucking carpenter ants. Son of a bitch. That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna grab my phone. I'm home alone. Me and my sister are home alone right now for a week. Why? My mom and my mom's boyfriend are on vacation and they are right now in the Dominican Republic. Fucking lucky. Fuck. Ugh. So this filter, Tuesday, March 15th, 2022. Now this filter is very restrictive. Now, hear me out. You don't think I know stuff, but I do. For your HVAC system. Filtration level 1500. No good. Why? Number one, it could damage your HVAC system. Number two, it restricts flow, which is not good. Number three, it makes the motor work harder. Number four, it makes the motor ramp up. Now, if it's higher than this, like 1500, 1600, 1700, or even like 2200, 2200 is MERV 13 to 14, which is very, very extremely restrictive, like the ones you get at Costco. Those ones are horrible. They restrict so much flow, because we had it for like, we just had like a 1 5-pack, right? Or 4-pack. And I said, get rid of them. Because when I turned on the furnace fan and I took it out, the furnace fan slowed down. And then when I put the filter, it ramped up quite a bit because of how restrictive the flow is. Now, when that filter goes, I'm going to put this one in, and then after this, we're going to get filtration level 300 or less. But my dad got his ducts cleaned after 16 years, and they put in the 2200 filtration level filter, and it's horrible. But they were saying get a washable filter, but one washable filter like this is $130 Canadian. I'm like, what the fuck? They were selling a washable filter, right? They were selling a washable filter for $150 for just one. My dad passed on that option. So forget about that. I mean, if you want to spend if you want to see if you can find like a 4-pack of a washable filters like this, and make sure it's the right size, right? Then go for it. If you can find like a 4-pack or whatever, go for it. Now, I'm going to turn on the furnace fan, right? Now, I just want you to listen, okay? To what the furnace fan sounds like. And the grate is off, okay? Now I just want you to listen to how the furnace fan sounds right now. And then I'm going to put in the filter, okay? So just give me a second, let me turn it on. Turning it on. Now. It's on now. Now I'm gonna get the old one. Make sure it's the right direction. Now just listen to how restrictive it is. All right. Just listen to how restrictive it is. Alright? It's not going in properly. Fuck. There. Did you hear how that sped up? You heard that, right? Yeah. It's pretty bad, isn't it? And so, yeah. If you want airflow, all you need is airflow. Just get like filtration level 300. Alright? So March 15th, 2022. And right now it is July the 7th, 2022. So I'm going to grab this marker. Okay? Sorry, I need to position the camera. Ah, stupid shithead. Alright. So, it's a what? Wednesday? No, it's a Thursday. Oh yeah, it's a Thursday. Hey, that means car show tonight. Yes. Fuck off, Cap. Oh man, this stinks. So, I'm gonna do, Thursday. I'm just gonna do J U L Y. July 7th. 2022 at whatever. That's supposed to be an at symbol, but fuck it. At, hold on, let me just. At 4:01 p.m. Boom, done. Now I'm gonna go turn off the furnace fan and put this in. Put this in the furnace, alright? And I'm gonna kick on the AC. Alright? Fuck. Give me a second. Right. Sorry for the bad lighting, I know it's bad. Come on. There we go. And then if you don't have one of these, you should get one. The reason why there's tape is because it wasn't sealed properly. And when it was on, there was like a whistling sound going through all the vents. And it was loud and annoying as fuck. So I just taped it up. So it would not do that. And so the air can go in there. So no air can go in there. Now, time to kick on the AC. Fire it up! Fire it up! AC is on. There we go. Yeah. So we got one more filter left. And then after, we're gonna buy the cheaper filters, like 300 filtration level. Not the extremely like the cheapest filter. Not that one. Not that one. Like 300 filtration level is perfect. 300 or 200. But not the cheapest one. Nuh-uh. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe, and yeah, comment. Alright? I'll see you later tonight when the car show is on, alright? Which, it's gonna be soon, because it's already what, 4 o'clock? It's already 4 o'clock. And the battery's low, so I gotta go. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video tonight for the car show. Peace!